Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I have a power hour video. I am going to be doing as much as I can off this list for 1 hour and 1 hour only. So anything else that I don't get on this list will just have to wait for another time, another day, or whatsoever. Now my main focus for today is to clean all 3 of our bathrooms. They just need a good wiping down, and obviously I only have 1 hour, so I will not be doing a deep clean, but just more of a surface clean so that I can rush through and try to get as much done. So I could take an entire hour just to clean 1 bathroom, so we'll see how much of this to-do list that I get done. Okay guys, so I have my to-do list here. If you don't know how the power hour works, it's you do whatever you can in just 1 hour. So I have to do some laundry, I have to clean 3 bathrooms and organize my linen closet, clean up the living room and the playroom, and I have to see how much of that list I can get done in 1 hour. So the time right now is 2:53. So I got till 3:53 to get that done. So anything I have left over on that list will not be counted towards the power hour, and let's see how much of this I can get done. So first things first, I'm going to throw in a load of laundry just so that it's going while I am completing the rest of my to-do list. So now that that's started, I'm going to be heading upstairs, and here's a sneak peek of the playroom, how of a disaster it is. And here is the first bathroom. This is the upstairs kids/guest bathroom, and it just needs a good scrubbing, but right now we're just going to do something real quick just to make sure that it's clean, and then later on I'll have to actually get down and really deep clean this bathroom. So I'm starting off with taking everything out from underneath the cabinet because it really needs to be organized. I just kind of threw everything in here when we moved in and haven't really sat down and actually put it all together so it makes sense. So I will do that probably in another video, but for now it's just going in the hallway until I get to it.
I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down now, seven. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, seven, give it love. Go down now, seven. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, seven, give it love. And I want you to meet my parents. Yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world.
So I saw over on This Crazy Life that she uses a dollar store broom to scrub out her bathtub, and I think I might actually try that. And if you haven't seen her channel, you must. I'm pretty sure you have, because she is definitely one of the top YouTube cleaning channels.
Your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Hold on now, seven. Hold on now, honey. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, seven, give me love, love. Hold on now, seven. Hold on now, honey. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, seven, give me love, love. Hold on now, seven. Hold on now, honey. Yeah. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, seven, give me.
So now that we are done with this bathroom, it is now 3:19 and we gotta get moving and get to the master bath now. So I'm just going to spray the counters with Method Anabac and let that sit for a while so it can sanitize, clean off the mirror and then the counters. And I just want to know what you guys are doing during this. Are you cleaning along with me, or are you just sitting back and relaxing and getting some motivation?
Down tonight, and ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, I got a brand new love you. Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's seven on earth, on earth. I found an angel. Found an angel.
So I just wanted to introduce myself if you are new here. My name is Lacey and I am a mother of 3, one 14-year-old boy and a set of twin boys that are 4, and I do motivational cleaning and cooking videos, home renovation, and DIY projects. So if you're into that type of stuff, you should definitely stick around, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and become part of our YouTube family. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @HomeWithLace. I also want to learn more about you, so if you're new here, drop a comment down below. Let me know where you're from, where you're coming from, and maybe a little bit about yourself so that we can continue the conversation down below.
I found my angel. Come on. I found my angel.
Guys, we have 20 more minutes to get everything done, so we gotta start hustling.
Brand new love you. Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's seven on earth. On earth. I found an angel. I found my angel. Come on, I found my angel. I found an angel.
So if you've been around for a while, you'll know this is the original paint color to the house, and I kind of want to spruce it up a little bit. So if you have any paint color ideas, let me know and drop it down below. So we are about 45 minutes in, So the washing machine is now done. I am transferring over to the dryer. I'm going to hang up the clothes that need to be hung up, and then I'll put in one more load so that can be washing too.
There's no crime out there. I throw myself out there, but not a care in the world. I'm a big girl with too much love. Prepare for warfare. Whispers behind my trash my name, I don't feel ashamed. My lusty season is red. Once I get older,
So we're now on to the last bathroom. This is the half bath on the main level, and I think this is the first time I am cleaning it on camera for you guys after revealing my Mako video. And if you haven't seen that, I will put it on the screen right now, and I hope you go check that out and see what a disaster this bathroom used to be and what it is now.
I'm a big girl with too much love.
So if you notice, my toilet paper holder is off the wall. That's something that I really need to add to my to-do list to hang it back up so we can get the toilet paper off of the counter and back where it's supposed to be. And I'm just washing my hands and replacing a new towel. The time now is 3:51, and that is all I have time for. I'm able to check off the items that I got done. So it looks like I have enough left over to do another Power Hour video, so look forward to that in the near future. Alright guys, so I only got a couple things on my to-do list done and complete, but I am going to end this video now because the hour is over and I wasn't able to beat the clock. So I'm going to get the rest of the stuff done, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.